So I've got a Lenovo laptop here. It's got a weak battery. I've already removed all the screws on the back, and I've got a battery replacement kit here. And it comes with the tools supposedly that you'll need. And so, at the moment, what I need is this thing that looks like a guitar pick. I'm going to open up the case and replace the battery. So with all the screws removed, just trying to work this little pick in here to separate the case. And once you get it started, you can just run around the edge here. All but one little area here. Here we go. So she's broken free. And now there's on this one looks like there's just two Phillips screws, so I'll try to use the see, there are no Phillips in this kit. Well, yeah, one tiny one here. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it does. Good. So there's just two screws holding this battery in. And here's the connector here. Just unplug that. And here's the new one. Let's make sure. Looks very similar. And the black. Make sure I've got the black on the top and the red on the bottom. Let's see if it goes in here. Nice. Yeah, looks good so far. There it is, seated in there. And now I'm just going to snap the cover back on. Yeah, let's see when I pull the charge, let's see what happens. Yeah, the battery's fairly well charged. A lot better than it used to be. So I'm going to let this thing charge up. And then all I have to do is put the screws in. And this thing can get back into service.